Welcome back to a brand new episode of McGrath Fishing. My name is Tommy McGrath. For those who don't know me, I'm 23 years old. I'm sponsored by Follow the Action to fish and film for a full-time job. I cannot be any more grateful and appreciative of what we got going on here. Today's video is gonna be pretty cool. It is round 2, the championship round of the first ever fishing YouTube tournament. A quick little recap of round 1. Me and Jake, Westo Angling, actually tied at 5 fish apiece. What a nice fish. Number 2, third fish. My 4th fish. It's huge. Decent bass, there we go. But the guys voted and actually ended up giving me the win because my fish were bigger, so I thought that was pretty cool. I was able to make it to round number 2. For DC and one more cast beat DC 6-2. Like I said, if you guys haven't checked out any of the videos, go watch the whole first round, get yourself caught up so you guys kind of know what's going on. This video will make a lot more sense. Today's video is the biggest 3 fish in an hour. So it's not quantity. I gotta bring my scale and it's the biggest 3 fish. So hopefully I can catch a few good ones. I'm gonna go grab a quick weight. I'm gonna test this quick and then I'm gonna switch to the chest and we're gonna get on with the day. All right, so locked on 2.79. The scale is gonna be decently accurate today. All my scales are broken, but you know, I can't do anything about it. I'm gonna roll with the punches today. Head to the pond and here we go. Guys, I'm walking up to the spot. I'm literally just gonna start my hour right off the bat. Set a 1 hour timer.
Setting the timer.
So my hour just started. It is 3:54. I got till 4:54. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. That giant bass is right here. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can see that. He's huge. Oh my God. Oh my God. What a fish. Look at this. What a fish, boys. What a fish. What a great first fish. I'll get the timer in a second. I'm gonna get this weighed quick. Guys, my first fish, 3 pounds, 3.06. What a beautiful first fish. It is 3:59 and I got 54 minutes left. My first fish in the first 6 minutes. Oh my God. Okay, so I am debating. I don't think this is against the rules. I think I'm in my own hour. I'm in my own time. I might actually go to the pond that I started at. I got 54 minutes left. I just caught a 3-pounder. God, that fish is so big though. That fish is so big. He's just sitting here too. I got no other baits. I literally bought a topwater frog and that is it. I don't know about you guys, but I was pretty impressed that I just literally flipped a 3-pounder pretty much on this like 3-foot ledge. I thought for sure I was gonna lose them. All right guys, I bet this has not been done, but I'm literally doing it. I'm moving spots. I'm literally gonna drive 15 minutes, probably 10, 15 minutes max. All right guys, I have 52 minutes left. All right guys, I got like 50 minutes left. I just caught a 3.06 pound for my first fish. I got 50 minutes left and I'm moving ponds. I got about a 10-minute drive. So yes, I'm gonna be pissing time away. I just asked the chat real quick if they want me to keep my hour going while I drive, because I'm completely okay with that. Like I said, this is my fault, I'm doing it. But I think it's gonna be a good strategy. I just got a big one from that pond. I'm gonna get the hell out of there and move to a different pond, try and catch 2 more. All right, so the guy just responded in the group chat. One more cast said he's okay with pausing it during the drive, which is completely okay with me. So that's gonna leave me with 52 to 53 minutes left on the clock at a new pond with a 3-pound, 3.06 already in the bag. So hopefully I can finish out strong. Like I said, it's midday. I didn't want to do this one at night. I wanted to challenge myself a little bit more and go out midday. It is 86 degrees out. The sun is hot. I'll see you guys at the pond. All right guys, I got 52 minutes remaining. They said it was all right to pause the clock. I'm at 3 pounds. It is 4:16. We can get 2 more fish, equal out to 9 pounds. I'd be happy. Alright guys, second fish. 1.73. So 1.73, another decent fish. I'm gonna give you guys the time quick. It is 4:28, 40 minutes left. And my second fish, which is 1.73 and a 3.06. All right guys, I got an audience. These kids are here again. They definitely live in the neighborhood, but they're literally holding off from fishing so I can get this last fish for the tournament. That is awesome of them, so big shout out to them. Oh my. Yo, that was crazy. Yeah, this is championship round, so god damn it. Every time. That last fish was the game winner. That was definitely a 2.5, 3 pounder. Literally sitting in like a foot, not even a foot of water. It's not that big, but at least it's my third fish. Oh man, third fish. 1.57, so 173, a 3.06, and a 157. I need to beat 1.57, but I got my third fish. Another blow up right in this little. Holy f***. Guys, oh my god. Look at this. I'm literally fishing a foot of water. God damn it. Do you guys have a topwater frog?
Which one?
I'm gonna go with that yellow one.
All right.
Thank you. I'll give this back.
Yeah.
Dude, my frog just flew off somewhere in this grass and I can't find it. What a chaotic damn day. Oh! Fourth time, dude. That thing is huge. I just can't get the hook set on it. Without you guys, I'd be so screwed. I have 13 minutes and I've lost this fish 3 times. I don't know, 3 fish, 6 pounds. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's also like, could definitely do better, you know? Please hit it, please. I don't deserve to win this tournament. Like I said, the only thing I brought here was the pole and this frog. That's why I said if you guys weren't here, I would have been screwed. I think I blew my chance. And that's it. Oh. Can't win them all. That is such horseshit. No, this one's definitely didn't even beat any of mine though, so that's okay. All right guys, so I just got done. The tournament is over, my hour is complete. I'm back here with my friends again, Signature Fishing. I'm gonna leave their link below because these were the first guys ever who pretty much noticed me at this pond, kind of said what's up, broke the ice, so.
Ah, it's so nasty.
Well, I can't believe that kid just jumped in the pond. That pond is like covered in scum, gross water. I mean, I would never swim in there personally, but that kid had dedication, and I missed the first beginning. He was running down the hill and he's like, McGrath fishing, and jumped in the pond, but I don't know how they were there for round 2 again. Like I said, they're probably fishing that pond every day now. But those were the first kids that have honestly ever said anything. Noticed me at that pond. We fished together today. We caught some fish. I ended my tournament with 6 pounds, 6.36 pounds. That was my final, that was it. So I think I could have done a little bit better. I lost so many fish. Like I literally lost so many fish. I lost 2 at least 3-pounders. Like literally like in a foot of water. Like it was just like kind of chaotic fishing, but I had a good time today. I got it done. I at least got 6.36 pounds, so I'll take that. Thank you guys so much for watching another episode of McGrath Fishing. Tune in next week as always. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and we're out.